to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, then step up. These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories. Welcome to True Island Stories. This is a breaking news, international news. One of the members from the Migos, Takeoff, is dead. And sadly, he was shot at around 2:30 a.m. in Houston. And TMZ Hip Hop has confirmed this. Law enforcement sources and multiple witnesses tell us the fatal incident went down shortly after 2:30 a.m. And that's when the cops got a call for a man shot at a bowling alley called 810 Billiards and Bowling, Houston. We're told Takeoff and Quavo were playing dice when an altercation broke out, and that's when someone opened fire shooting Takeoff, either in the head or near to his head. He was pronounced dead. TMZ Hip Hop has obtained footage from the scene, and you can see Quavo in an orange shirt and others around Takeoff. At first, they tried to move him, but they put him back down, and Quavo yelled for someone to get help. We're told as many as 2 other people got hit, and they were taken to the hospital. It's unclear what their conditions are presently. Quavo was not injured himself. Just a couple of hours before the incident, Takeoff posted a selfie from the bowling alley. Quavo had posted a video earlier in the night driving around Houston with Jazz Prince, who was celebrating his birthday. Takeoff is an American rapper, and his real name is Kershnik Kari Ball, known professionally as Takeoff. He's an American rapper, and he's best known as a member of the hip-hop trio Migos, along with his uncle Quavo and his first cousin, once removed, Offset. He was born on June 18, 1994. He's 28 years old and he's from Lawrenceville, Georgia. He has been in the Migos since 2008 and he went to Berkmar High School. He signed to Quality Control Music and Capitol Records and Motown. Now, Offset is the one that's the husband and baby father of Cardi B, not Takeoff. Takeoff is usually the quiet one. He hardly speaks, but he does a lot for the group. He does a lot for the group behind the scenes. And, you know, Migos had broke up one time. Everybody went to do their solo stuff. But, you know, like a little break off, not break up, just break off. But, you know, the hip-hop community sends their, you know, condolences. And the Jamaican community send their condolences out to Migos, you know, the remaining members and the members of Takeoff's family. But, you know, violence is everywhere and nobody at all is safe from it. We just have to keep our heads up, you know what I mean, and pray that it doesn't reach you. But as I said, man, it's just sad, you know, to lose your life over a dice game as it is reported. I can just imagine how the 2 other half feel, because with the 3 of them, they're a whole and now one is missing. It's like you can't, you know what I mean, it's like using one hand to tie your shoelace. It's just going to be awkward going forward, and I can't imagine the pain, you know, the other 2 are feeling, Offset and Quavo. But our condolences, man, you know, and hope they find the perpetrators and they get justice to the full extent of the law, because we cannot condone violence in our society, you know. But this is just a breaking news, and later I'll bring you some exclusive news and even some pictures of the J-Man situation and some other twisting news, because this story is so twisted. But every so often I get the news, I just gotta bring it, you know. Yeah, so sometimes things are not what it seems on the inside when you're outside looking in. But the truth usually, you know, bubbles its way to the top like island water. But for now, guys, this is it. You know, remember, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, Darker Side of Paradise, the audiobook is online, 2 volumes if you want. You know, the copy, just email me $50 if you want it exclusive per copy. 32 episodes, alright? Stay safe, walk good, stay out of trouble. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in True Island Stories. What? Well, you choose.
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real J-Tinga. Huh? How I grow? Sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run? That's why. Back from the boy who not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and board. Pointed pon him head back and board. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption. I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation. I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever buried with no done. Name one. And good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, yo, a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Be a tough crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging, oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Death reach, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing, but know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong, boy. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, now a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one, himself a lot with the name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Can't kill with joy on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. But none of that or that. Yo, you know the thing going to suck a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, man. To them pepper.